too. He's supposed to be winning these things, and I'm glad I can put the American up front for all the fans.
Congratulations, great job.
So that is what Haiden Deegan said after his win in Washougal that has apparently made some people mad. And by people, I mean Steve Mathis of the Pulpmx show, saying on the review podcast that it's divisive and saying that putting the American out front is apparently discounting or, I don't know, making fun of or whatever however you want to call it, saying that people who are foreigners in this country are less than. And I'm going to say this right now. In the comments below, you tell me, do you care about this? Is it a non-story? Is it drama that's just whatever needed to be for views? Or are you mad about this? Are you a foreigner who's mad about it? Or are you an American who thinks like, yeah, America, whatever? Comment down below. And I'm going to say this, in my opinion. If you watch pretty much any other racing series, Formula One, all those kind of things, whoever wins, their country's national anthem is played. So to me, while this could be perceived as like, screw Hunter and not being American, whatever, I don't think it was. I think it's just him saying, I'm glad to be an American and I'm winning, in an American series. If he had come out and said, haha, screw those Australians or whatever, like then it would be a problem, I would assume. But him just coming out and saying, I'm glad to be, putting the American first, like that's not exactly the worst thing in the world. While I don't know. If you watch the podcast of the Steve Mathis basically saying that like people who come here as foreigners and pay taxes and stuff like that are, just as much Americans as everybody else. And I don't think this was meant as a screw you to other people. Like, yes, the Lawrences have given up a ton to be here, leaving their home country, going to Europe for their kids, coming here for their kids. And I don't think this is a screw you to Australians or French people or whoever else is over here. But, it's if a French person won, you could say, I'm glad to be putting a French person on front. Like, sure, if Vial won or if Ferrandis wins or whatever, like, I don't have any problem with that. Like, how you want to say, supporting your country, I have absolutely no problem with. It's if you said, if you straight out came out and said like, haha, putting the best country first, or like, these other countries suck, glad I'm winning, like then you have the problem of it. But him coming out and saying what he did, I don't think is that big of a deal. It's just funny to me that you've got Cooksey who, whatever, Cooksey is Cooksey, and you've got Steve Mathis talking about it, and it's going around that just, apparently he's, making fun of other people. No, he's not. He's just coming out and saying, I'm glad to be an American, putting the American out front at an American track in an American series, whatever. But in comments below, you tell me, do you think it's a big deal? Is this a non-story again? Or just something like it got blown out of proportions because it got taken out of context or heard wrong or perceived wrong? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.